Every car guy loves mods, louder exhausts, cold air intakes, turbo upgrades. But what if I told you that some popular mods are secretly destroying your engine, and could leave you with a seized block in just weeks? Today we're going over 15 banned car mods that don't just void your warranty, they kill your engine faster than bad oil and zero maintenance. Let's get into it. When you think car mods, you think cooler looks, better power, more noise, but the mods on this list, they do the exact opposite. They're the silent killers, trusted by beginners, regretted by engines, and banned by smart mechanics. Here are the 15 mods guaranteed to destroy your engine if you're not careful. So, cheap eBay cold air intakes. They might add a bit of sound, but honestly, they just suck in hot, unfiltered air. That ends up confusing your sensors and, well, it can cause lean combustion, which is basically the silent killer of pistons. Real cold air intakes, on the other hand, use heat shielding and proper MAF placement. Now, oversized wheels with low-profile tires. Sure, they look cool, but man, they kill your drivetrain. The bigger rotational mass actually forces your engine to work a lot harder, leading to overheating and eventually premature transmission wear. Catless downpipes. Removing your catalytic converter might boost noise and power, but without proper ECU tuning it causes incorrect fueling and over time, burns valves. So, yeah, something to really think about. Cheap pop and bang tunes. You know, those over-the-top crackles might impress TikTok, but honestly, the raw fuel explosions can really damage pistons and turbochargers. Maybe, just ask your engine how it feels. Racing air filters. Sure, you get more airflow, but well, you also get more dirt. Poor filtration leads to micro scratches inside the cylinders, and that reduces engine life permanently. Mixing oil additives. Not all additives actually boost performance. In fact, a lot of them disrupt your oil's formula and break down under heat, which ends up starving your engine of proper lubrication. Poorly installed turbo kits. So, a $500 eBay turbo? Yeah, it sounds fun at first, but, a blown engine in 2 weeks? That definitely doesn't sound fun. Cheap turbos mixed with bad tuning. Well, that's just a recipe for melted pistons, thrown rods, and a whole lot of smoking regret. Muffler delete on your daily car. Removing back pressure might sound great, but honestly, it can mess with your exhaust scavenging and really cut down your low-end torque. Plus, it ends up killing catalytic converters in the long run. Cheap ECU flash tunes. A good tune is honestly worth $700. But, you know, a sketchy tune from some Facebook bro for $80. Yeah, that's just asking for detonation, overheating, and probably a corrupted ECU. Blow-off valves on stock engines, huh? Honestly, all that psh sound is just hype. On some engines it actually causes boost leaks and compressor surge. And yeah, that's deadly for your turbo. Removing thermostats. Some folks do this thinking it'll improve cooling, but in reality, it ruins the regulated flow and, well, just confuses your temperature sensors. The result? Your engine runs too cold, too rich, and you end up with nasty engine sludge. Low-grade octane booster. Cheap octane boosters. They leave residue and mess with your injector spray patterns. Over time, you get misfires, carbon buildup, and even burned valves. Coilovers without alignment. Lowering your car without proper alignment creates constant stress on ball joints, arms, and shocks. Engine mounts suffer with every bump. Hood spacers. Letting heat escape seems smart, but these mods allow rain, debris, and dust straight into your bay. Not worth fried electronics or rusted block parts. Fake supercharger electric kits. If the word eBay supercharger doesn't make you cry, your engine will. This mod dumps hot air into the intake, causes heat soak, and ruins airflow. Alright, so, how do mods actually kill engines? Well, most of these mods end up doing one of three things. First, they disrupt your air-fuel ratio. Second, they add excessive heat. And third, they can actually starve your engine of lubrication. And, honestly, the worst part. You probably won't even notice the damage until it's way too late. Then, boom, suddenly you're dealing with misfires, knocking, and, yeah, sometimes permanent engine damage. So, what should you do instead? First, always use parts from reputable brands. Make sure you tune your car after any performance mod. And really, get a dyno-based tune, not just a so-called universal file. Oh, and avoid shortcuts that just make things louder but actually make your engine weaker. If you learned something today, go ahead and smash that like button, subscribe to Gear Specs for more smart car guidance, and hey, let me know in the comments, what's the worst mod you've ever seen? Drive smart, mod smart.